Welcome back, fellas. Today we are going to learn how to create a stunning mood board. Let's go! First of all, what is a mood board? It's a collage of visual elements carefully curated to capture a specific look and feel. It defines the aesthetic of a project. Let's create a mood board for the new Freepik branding style. The first step to create a mood board is to gather all the visual elements that inspire you for this project. Freepik offers a variety of resources that can serve as a source of inspiration for you. These could be anything: illustrations, colors, moody photos, typefaces, etc. We are using this template to organize all the elements in one place. You can always get more inspiration from Freepik. There are no rules. First, we add pictures that fully capture our project into the template. Then, we add the remaining elements. Lastly, select the Eyedropper tool and personalize the color palette. To achieve an even more cohesive look, try adding a subtle color overlay to the pictures. Adjust its blend mode to align with the overall look you're aiming for. Lastly, include overall elements like textures, small geometric shapes and illustrations that enhance the project's visual style. Behold, our finished mood board. Just don't forget to play around and have fun. Until next time, happy designing!